Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about noise pollution and land pollution or soil pollution. First of all, noise pollution. When the intensity of sound crosses a certain limit, which have an adverse effect on mental and physical health of an individual, human or group, then it is called the noise pollution. Then it is called the noise pollution. When here the sound intensity, when the sound intensity increase here, the unit of the measure the intensity of the sound is decibel, and the intensity above the 180 is count in the noise pollution. The intensity above the 120 decibel is count in the noise pollution. When the intensity of sound crosses, when the intensity crosses of a certain limit, which have an adverse effect कहाँ पे mental and the physical health of a individual person or a total group, it is called the noise pollution. And other way we can also say noise pollution where the intensity of the sound is above 120 decibel. 120 decibel is known as the noise pollution. Then here the intensity 80 to 120 has the favorable, then here the above the 120 unfavorable and the unsuitable, that is known as the noise pollution. And here the causes for the noise pollution, the means of the transport and the sound of the transport vehicles, and the loudspeakers sound also the part of the noise pollution. And industrial noise, industrial machine, in industries many type of the machine usage, and the noise when the machine start, the noise also, the machines also is the part, the machines have the main source of the noise pollution. And the noise due to aeroplane and the jet plane and the aeroplane also the source of the causes for the noise pollution. These are the causes for the noise pollution. And the harmful effects of the noise pollution, irritation increase in the human, and the hearing impairment also, and the permanent hearing loss also, and the person may become mental by here the main noise pollution. Anxiety, high blood pressure also increase here, and hypertension, stress, many problems created by the noise pollution. And hearing impairment for whole life is the major cause for the noise pollution. And heart attack, sleep disturbance, complete hear loss are the major problems of noise pollution. At last, a person may become mental and abnormal by noise pollution. Noise pollution is the dangerous for the human health. And what way effort to the control the noise pollution? Uh, Use of the loudspeaker, lack of use of the loudspeaker, and the volume of the loudspeaker slow. And the industrial noise, यहाँ पे क्या करें, टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप here to low and control the industrial noise. And the means of transportation क्या करें, टाइम पर इन्हें रिपेयर करवाएं, जिससे क्या होगा, the volume of the transportation vehicles also the slow. And the many other solution of the noise pollution. And now land pollution, and the measure unit to measure the intensity of the sound is decibel, dB. Yeah, here start the land pollution. What is the land pollution? The degradation or loss, the fertility down of the soil quality due to the natural and human activities is known as the land or soil pollution. Land or soil pollution. What is the soil pollution? The degradation or loss of soil quality, decrease here the soil quality due to the natural and the human activity also, and the human activity also responsible for decreasing the quality of the soil. Here degradation or loss of the soil quality, that is known as the soil or land pollution. And here the main causes for the soil pollution, polluted water is the main cause for the soil pollution. And chemical fertilizer, the use of the chemical fertilizer in the agriculture is also responsible for the down the fertility of the soil. Industrial इफ्लुएंस, जो इंडस्ट्री से जो वेस्टेज होते हैं वो वेस्टेज को क्या करते हैं, हम फेंक देते हैं इधर उधर, एंड दैट इज द आल्सो अफेक्ट द सॉइल and the urban wastage also. The polluted water is the major causes of the land pollution, and the excessive use of the chemical fertilizer. Excessive use of the chemical fertilizer decrease the fertility of the soil. They decrease the fertility of the soil, and industrial flow, yeah, wastage causes for the land pollution. At last, urban waste is also the major cause for the land pollution. Next are the harmful effects. Harmful effects of the land pollution. Harmful effects. Cultivable land is decreasing day by day. Cultivable land is decreasing day by day, क्योंकि जो मेन जो लैंड पे कल्टीवेशन कर रहे हैं, we use the chemical fertilizer, and the chemical fertilizer destroy the, down the fertility of the soil, and the disease causes by the pollution, like here the diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, problem related to eyes, and the tuberculosis. So many type of the disease decrease, many type of the disease by soil, yeah, land pollution. And land pollution is the mother of all other pollution. Land pollution is the, land pollution is created the many other pollution, like here the water pollution also, air pollution also. The problem of the availability of the land has increased due to the land pollution. Yeah, we can say the availability of the land decreases by the land pollution. And what was the what effort we can do for the control the land pollution? We can use here the 3R cycle should be adopted, which will definitely decrease the land pollution. And dynamic organic farming यूज करेंगे तो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर यूज नहीं होगा, एंड ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इंक्रीज द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द लैंड, एंड देयर शुड विल बी लेस अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ प्लास्टिक व्हिच हेल्प टू कंट्रोल द pollution. तो प्लास्टिक का हम यूज कर रहे हैं, the use of the plastic is decreased. Also the and deforestation is the major cause for the land pollution. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We should hear the plantation of trees to on large scale will help to reduce and pollution, reduce land pollution. तो measure here solution for control the land pollution. First is organic farming. Second here the use of the lack of the use of plastics, and last we can say the plantation is the major plantation is the major solution for the control the land pollution.